Welcome scalpers, Rhys Cadabaugh here, ultimatescalper.com. There's a signal happening right now that I'm going to jump in on while I try to record this for you.
Order
It
filled.
is the breakout of the signal candle on the 5-minute ES. Here's a signal, here's the candle, we broke out, going long.
Target filled.
Okay, my target was hit and my stop is in place. Per, per requests, I'm trading very low contract sizes to show you that you don't need a lot of contracts to make money. And if you have multiple funded accounts, that a little bit goes a long way. I'm expecting it to go up to that red line, which is the VWAP. So I'll bring my target up around there. I'll expect a bounce once it gets there. If it gets there, I'll just try to squeeze as much as I can out of it. We are pre-market on the West Coast. You can always shoot me a text message if you have any questions. Okay, we're starting a new 5-minute bar, a new 5-minute candle. This is the line that I expect to bounce off of. So I'm going to try to keep things tight up here. I hate giving away profit that I made.
Stop filled.
All right, I did get stopped now. It was a very nice trade. Multiple signals here. That's just what I look for. Simple little scalps like that to put me up ahead for the day, start out the day good at 224, which is good. Like, what if I had 10 accounts that were funded? That's, you know, $2,000. Good stuff. 5-minute ES. Let's see what else we got. Ultimate AI, ultimate backdoor arrows. Here we are on the NQ 1 minute. We had a good backdoor entry already. I didn't get in on that. We're going to get in on the break of the Ultimate AI signal candle. So the candle,
Order filled.
we broke the low of the candle with the signal to get in on this trade. I'm going to use this green backdoor line as my stop loss.
Stop filled.
All right, 242. It's not bad. Probably could have made a little more on that one. Here's a backdoor. that could happen. I'll just put my order there. Just like I'm fishing, I'm going to put my line in, and if it hits, great. If it doesn't, no big deal. This is 5 minute NQ.
Order filled.
All right, did get filled.
Stop filled.
Made a little bit.
Order submitted.
I'm going to try to get back in and make a little more. I think
Order canceled. Order filled.
it has some more downside to go.
Stop filled.
Okay, that was a good backdoor trade. It probably has a little more downside, but I took it twice and it's coming up on this blue line, so I expect a bounce from it. So I'm not going to get in again. Up 362 so far this morning. You've seen every trade that I've taken. And if that was 10 PAs, it would be over $3,000. See how price retracted up after it hit the blue line? And you can get in again if you think it's going to come back down. I'm good with the two trades that I taken. And look, it did come back down again. So you can scalp a 5 minute candle multiple times. Okay, we're on the 1 minute NQ. This would be breakout of the previous bar's high if it works, if it gets triggered. We're bouncing off of the blue line as well. New candles forming, so this will be breakout of the signal candle.
Order filled. Target.
I love when that happens. That was a good little scalp. I love when it just pops in my direction. I could get in again. Now that the candle is really large, I don't know that I'm going to get back in, but it would have been a really nice trade had I held it longer. And you're welcome to hold trades longer. Could have taken that breakout of the signal candle. I'm up 544. Okay, back on the 1 minute, there was a trade that I missed. Looks like it worked out. Two signals here. AI breakout of the previous, ultimate backdoor, sell. There's the blue line that we look for bounces off of. 1 minute is tricky. Here's a backdoor.
Order filled.
I'm going to try to get in on this. I don't like the way it looks.
Stop filled.
Yeah, that's a loser. That's a loss right there. All right, lost a couple $100 on that. It didn't go all the way down to the blue line yet before it bounced. So let's see if we can find something that bounces off the blue line. Here's Ultimate AI
Order
signal.
submitted.
This would be breakout of the previous as it's coming off that blue line with Ultimate AI. Maybe now it will bounce off. Maybe I was a little early on that backdoor. Let's see if this happens. Breakout of the previous did not happen, so let's see if we get a breakout of the signal candle off a blue line bounce. Signal candle here, Ultimate AI green here.
Order filled.
There's a backdoor arrow.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I think there's some more upside. I'm going to try to take it again.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Okay, I'm taking this again because it's breakout of the signal candle on the small arrow there, which is Ultimate AI and Backdoor. Okay, getting kind of worried here because now it's kind of hovering on this blue.
Stop filled.
Okay, that works. See, 579 because I had that loss and I'm bounced back. So I'm going to call it quits for the day. If you had 10 PAs, that's $5,000.